Hello! In today's video we're gonna fit an armrest on our Mercedes. You are right now on the Mercedes W123 channel. I'm Hervé and I will show it to you. Some Mercedes do not have that option of the armrest, and personally I quite like it. So I've browsed eBay and I found this. So I'm lucky because they're actually the same color as the seat, so that's good. So I will show you how to fit it. If you have to buy these, make sure they come complete. If not, you will not be able to fit it, okay? So now I will show you how we're gonna dismantle the seat and put this in place. In order to fit the part, we'll have to remove that back panel. For this, we will use a star screwdriver. We'll remove the screw that's here at the back, and we'll be able to remove the panel. This is the importance to have the armrest complete, because if you do not have this, you will not be able to fit it. So look here, we've got that little pin that gets fitted here, and basically it goes immediately into place. You see, like this. So now that that bolt goes at the bottom, at the back, you screw it, it's fitted, perfect. Once it's done, basically we need to drill a hole into the fabric in order to fit the armrest. So how we're gonna make the hole on the fabric? Well, easy. We place this at the back, okay? And looking on both sides, we see where the hole should be. The hole should be here, okay? So we're gonna mark it. We're gonna take a permanent marker or whatever pen you want, okay? And you're gonna mark around, okay? Approximately where it should be, but you have to know more or less where it goes, okay? What we're not gonna use is a knife. Why? Because a knife makes a straight cut, and over time that straight cut may extend, which you don't want. So how I'm gonna cut this? Well, look, once it's marked where I should cut, I will take something round. It doesn't matter what it is. Here I've got something for plumbing or whatever that is. It doesn't matter as long as it fits in, okay? And then what I will do, I will use either a lighter, you heat it so it gets nicely hot, or if you got something like that, even better. So obviously you will heat it using a plier, so it gets quite hot, and then where you have left your mark, you will simply put it in, and it will simply make a hole and seal everything around, so that way the crack will not go any further, okay? And then we're gonna fit armrest. Now the hole is made, we're gonna place a bolt at the back where it should go. We're gonna place the part on it and tighten it with a spanner of 13. It is now fitted. So what I've done, I've screwed by hand first, and later I've tightened it with the spanner. I recognize that it's a bit difficult. It's not the easiest way to do it. The other way you can do is removing the fabric that's here. So you will have to basically unclip it, tighten it, and place it back again. But this, I found it even more difficult, so I prefer that way. So anyway, you do it one way or another. While we are mounting this on the car, I would like to remind you that if you wish to help that channel, you are more than welcome to do so, because I receive no income whatsoever from YouTube, okay, or from anyone else for that matter. So if you want to help that channel, you are more than welcome. With this, I can buy parts and I can continue making video, which in turn help you saving money, okay? So if you can do it, thanks. Time to fit the armrest. So we're gonna fit it horizontally, and here you see there's a groove. This has to go at the bottom, okay? So we'll fit it. As you can see, it can move, that's great. Now we fit the rest, okay? We tighten it by hand, and when we can't do it no more, we tighten it with a spanner. Once we have checked that everything is tightened properly, obviously we fit the back seat again, and then we check to make sure it works. So it should be able to lift, block, we press it, and it comes down. So that's just perfect. So that's it for today. I hope that you have liked the video. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.